What's up, guys? We're headed to Brazoria, Texas, and I'm going to show you guys how to do some periodic maintenance, or at least the process I go through. Welcome back, Clayton's Compact Content. Today we're going to be doing a video on periodic maintenance, specifically Toyota forklifts. Kind of show you my process and what we do to keep your lift up and running. We're going to start with the operational pre-check. Check all the functions of the lift, make sure everything's operating properly, and we'll go from there. Everything's operational. There's a couple issues with it right off the bat that I can tell. Auto level function isn't working, and we've got some play in the trunnion bushings. I'll show you that in a bit. Right now we're going to go ahead and start greasing it and go from there. First things first, got the engine blown out, all of the breeze out of the radiator. Everything looks pretty good. Now we're gonna check the fluids and start with the transmission. This particular forklift model, you do check this while it's not running, and this is a 8 Series Toyota. Fluid's good. A little bit burnt, but it's at a good level. We're not here for a transmission service today, so we won't be performing that. This is just your standard 250-hour service. Fluid's pretty good on that one. Look how dirty that is. That's terrible. We're gonna go ahead and clean that off and yeah, put it back, and also top off the fluid because it's pretty low also. Show you what she looks like now. We're gonna go around to the coolant, check it real quick. Probably can't see that line very well. Actually, you can't see it at all. Go ahead and show you guys up close. It's at the full line, so we're good on that. While we're here, we're gonna go ahead and check the hydraulic. It's gonna be under this cap right here. First, let's try and get this cleaned off. Pull it out, and we'll see what the level looks like. It's actually too high, as you can see. Normally you want it around that 50, 60 mark. Not all the way up to 70, but that's all right. Clean this bad boy out. That's what she looks like now. Good to go. Now that we have all the main things taken care of, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna mark the filters, air filter, torque converter filter, as well as the oil filter. And we're gonna proceed to change the oil. As you're getting the unit greased up and taking care of all the lubrication, don't forget this grease fitting. Go underneath. I flip the camera this way so you guys can see. See this drive shaft right here? Set this down. Let's see if y'all can see it better. You've got a couple grease fittings right there. I do not recommend bending this. This one just broke. I typically don't bend them. I'll take them off unless they're already loose. But this one was already loose. And then now we can hit those grease fittings. First, we're going to turn the drive shaft a little bit to get to it. Now that we can see the drive shaft and see the grease fittings. Good to go. Now that we got the oil put in, new filters on, we're going to go ahead and double check the oil. Show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, I want to show you one last thing. Check out the play in this bushing. Thanks for tuning in to Clayton's Compact Content. We'll see you guys next time.